General Trees.
I'm a fan. I don't think I have anything by him, but
This is one of my favorite. Everything
Except for,
so.
compilations. General Tree, everything so.
Everything. Mini Bus. You know how many albums they put that out?
Yeah.
3. That must have been like the smash up hit. You know.
Yeah.
Beat 'em over the legs. It was just a Black Scorpio production, and they did. This is what I was talking about. This is 85.
Yeah.
This was a.
This is right on the cusp of
Yep.
the raga.
And where the rhythms were, it almost seemed half synthetic, half real band.
Yeah.
And the perfect artist to start out with that. I'll just show the other one. Just because I love the art so much, and I don't think I've shown it yet today. Young Horseman. Ooh, this one set me back a little bit. I'm not gonna, you know.
Yeah.
We're grown adults. I can say that. It set me back a little bit, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, because you never see the artwork survive with these things. But I kept an eye out. He's got an album that 85. He must have been huge. Yeah. 85. Yeah. He put out Ghost Rider in 85. But I could buy one of those for $20 without that cool skeleton with that's on fire.
Mm.
That's a $60 record with that. You know.
Yeah, I bet. No doubt about it.
That's on my want list, man. I'm hunting.
Yeah.
I'm a hunter.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's gonna start our 85. Like, I just want to get more into it now. But,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll show some of these. Whoop. Okay. That's why I didn't pull that. I didn't want it to.
Yeah.
Let's show these. Yeah, we talked about that. Huh?
Oh yeah, Frankie Paul Pass the Tishing Pang was that's a jammy production.
Yep.
Huge album.
84. Tidal Wave. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, and that's a George Fang produced album.
84. 85. And Frankie Paul, he like Blue Robe Bonton. He was fire in the 90s, you know, until he died.
Yep.
It was with Michael Palmer. Double Trouble. 85. And you check that out. That's a good one too. He was blind.
Yeah.
Halfway.
And I think that Stevie Wonder was
91.
a big influence on him.
91, but you know.
Yep.
Wow, he does look older. Yeah, that's obvious. That's straight up digi reggae.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I think we got. I think you saw a lot. It's great.
You could probably spend your weekly allowance on some of these records here that we showed you tonight, right?
Oh yeah. You certainly could. Night Nurse, Gregory Isaacs. Everybody loves. We're not going to get into what that means lyrically because it's heavily debated. Some people think it's about the old white lady.
Oh.
Some people say it's got nothing to do with that. It's just he's lusting.
Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, Night Nurse. A lot of people. I mean, it was a huge hit. It was just big.
It's on this too. This is Cool Ruler 1972 to 1990 up through it. So this takes you through the 79 to 85 as well, 86. 3 discs. And the third disc is live at Brixton Academy 84.
Nice. Does that have Tune In?
Is African Museum. Tune In. It does not.
Okay. I was going to say that was one of the bigger...
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I was going to say that. Tune In was one of the biggest songs from the early dancehall
1980.
era. Yeah, there you go, 1980. Tune In, Cool Runnings, Buddy Whaler on his album.
All right, well.
Yeah.
It was nice to have you here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
Yeah.
We went a few minutes longer than we usually do, but that's okay. It's I deleted a bunch of crappy apps that I didn't need, and turns out I got a lot of extra recording space out of it.
Nice.
So
cool. Well, we hope to see you next time, and stay healthy out there. Zip, zam, bally, and swoosh. Peace out.